We are back to class once again. We've learnt beginning sounds of objects. We know that when I say beginning sound, what I mean is the first letter sound of an object. The first letter sound of an object. For instance, if I take bag, we know that bag begins with B. So if I give you the picture of a bag and I tell you to write the beginning sound of bag, you should be able to write B for bag. B for bag. Now, we are done with beginning sounds. We are now going to do ending sounds. If I take ending sounds, what I mean is the last letter of a word or an object. The last letter sound of a word or an object. For instance, if I take the word mat, the ending sound of mat is T. The last sound you hear when you mention mat, you can hear that the sound T is at the end. So mat, ending sound of mat is T. Now, let's come to the board and look at some objects on the board. I have few objects on the board. My first object is hen. The next one is bag. The next one is dog. This is cat. And this is bass. Now, when we take a look at the objects here, I hope we can identify the objects and their names. So when you mention hen, what is the last sound you hear? Hen. I can hear at the end. Hen at the end. So it means that my ending sound for hen is N, which is N sounds So my ending sound for hen is which is N. Now let's take a look at the next object. We have bag. What is the last sound you hear? Bag. What is the last sound you hear? I can hear g. Bag. So the ending sound for bag is g. And what letter sounds g? It's J. J sounds g. Now let's look at the next object here. The next object here is dog. Now when I pronounce the word dog, you can still hear that the ending sound of dog is also go. So the same sound, the same ending sound. So that is J. Now let me change my object. From dog to mat. Mat. What is the last sound you hear? T. So my ending sound for mat is T. Well done. Now I'm going to change my next object from cat to tap. This is my tap. Now, tap. What is the ending sound you hear? Tap. The last sound you hear is p. P. What letter sounds P? That is P. P. Very good. Now, look at my last object. My last object here is bass. 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 What is the last sound you hear? What is the ending sound you hear? My ending sound is s. Bass. So my ending sound is s. So it means that the last sound is s because s sounds s. Very good. Now let's take a look at the object again. Hen. The ending sound of hen is n. Bag is g. Gin. Mat is t. Tap is p. Bass is s. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.